Still on trigonometry, this time around we'll talk about the factor formula, also known as the product formula or sum to product and product to sum formula. Sometimes we may need to express the product of cosines and sines as a sum, and sometimes we may even need to express the sum of sines and cosines or even both as a product. We make use of the product or the factor formula. The factor formula are sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B all over 2 cos A minus B all over 2. Sin A minus sin B is equal to 2 cos A plus B all over 2 sin A minus B all over 2. What about cos A plus cos B? Cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B all over 2 cos A minus B all over 2. Lastly, what is cos A minus cos B? It says minus, this time around there's a minus 2 sin A plus B all over 2 sin A minus B all over 2. So let's apply them. Alright, watch this video to the end. I'll be solving two sets of questions. The first set of questions I have here is sum to product. So the next set of questions will be product to sum. You don't have to miss it. Just watch it till the end. Alright? I want to express the following as products of two trigonometrical ratios. The first one says sin 4x plus sin 2x. Sin 4x plus sin 2x. Okay, remember the factor formula for the sum of two sines. Sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B all over 2 cos A minus B all over 2. This is the formula that we are going to apply. So sin 4x plus sin 2x is this. A is 4x and B is 2x. So we'll have this. 2 sin A plus B, that is 4x plus 2x. 4x plus 2x all over 2 cos A minus B, 4x minus 2x all over 2. Alright? And so we have 2 sin 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x divided by 2 is 3x. Cos 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is x. We have succeeded in expressing the sum of sin 4x and sin 2x as a product. Alright? Question 2. Sin 8x minus sin 2x. To do this, we'll use the formula that says sin A minus sin B, because we are having minus here, so I'll use sin A minus sin B. Sin A minus sin B is equal to 2 cos A plus B all over 2 sin A minus B all over 2. And so therefore, sin 8x minus sin 2x will be equal to 2 cos A is 8x, B is 2x. So we have 8x plus 2x all over 2 sin 8x minus 2x all over 2. Okay? 2 cos 8x plus 2x is 10x. 10x divided by 2 is 5x. 8x minus 2x is 6x. 6x divided by 2 is 3x. So we have sine 3x. We have expressed sine 8x minus sine 2x as a product of sine and cosine. The next one says cos 6x plus cos 4x. So using this product formula, cos 6x plus cos 4x will be this. 2 cos A is 6x, B is 4x. So let's just do it in one step. A 6x, B 4x. 6x plus 4x is 10x. 10x divided by 2, that's 5x. Cos 6x minus 4x is 2x because we have A minus B. 2x divided by 2 is x. Cos 4x minus cos 2x. We'll make use of the formula that says cos A minus cos B, all right, because of the minus, is equal to minus 2 sine A plus B all over 2 sine A minus B all over 2. Cos 4x minus cos 2x is equal to minus 2 sine 4x plus 2x is 6x. 6x divided by 2, that's 3x. Sine 4x minus 2x is 2x. 2x divided by 2 is x. Okay? Now, we have solved the first set of questions. It is important that you watch this video to the end because at the end of the video, there is a question for you to solve. In the first set of questions, we did sum to product. So now we are going to do product to sum. This part of it is actually more difficult than the first part. So you have to watch this very carefully and most importantly, watch till the end. Alright? Let's start with the first question. Let us express sine 5x cos 3x as a sum of two trigonometric ratios. To do this, we are going to make use of one of the factor formula. But the question is, which of the factor formula will I use? That is the question. The pattern here is sine before cosine. So I will make use of the factor formula that says sine A plus sine B is equal to 2 sine A plus B over 2 times cos A minus B all over 2. I am following the pattern that is here, sine before cosine. My factor formula says sine before cosine. So this is the formula that will be applied. Okay, my product here has a coefficient of 1, but the product I'm having here is having a coefficient of 2. So let's eliminate these two by dividing both sides by 2. So if I divide both sides by 2, it means I will divide sine A by 2, divide sine B by 2. 2 will cancel 2. So we'll be having half sine A plus half sine B, which is equal to sine A plus B all over 2 cos A minus B all over 2. So the result that we will get will look like this. It will be in this form. Let us compare. We have 5x here. We have A plus B over 2. We have 3x and we have A minus B over 2 here. We will say let 5x be equal to A plus B all over 2. So if we cross multiply to make a plus b the subject of the formula, 2 times 5x is 10x. That is to say, a plus b is equal to 10x. Let's see equation 1. Also, we will let 3x be equal to a minus b all over 2. Let 3x be equal to a minus b all over 2. So if we cross multiply, 2 times 3x is 6x. So a minus b will be equal to 6x. Let's call this equation 2. Our job now is to solve this simultaneous equation for a and b. Let's get a first. To get a, we have to add equation 1 and equation 2. A plus a is 2a. B plus minus b is 0. 10x plus 6x is 16x. So if we add equation 1 and equation 2, we'll be having 2a is equal to 16x. You get it? A plus a is 2a. 10x plus 6x is 16x. So a is actually equal to 8x. Divide both sides by 2. So a is equal to 8x. So let's keep this value. We may not need to subtract equation 1 from 2 or equation 2 from 1 to get b. Let's just make a substitution. From equation 1, we can just make b the subject of the formula and substitute 8x for a. So from here now, if we make b the subject, we'll be having b is equal to 10x minus a. A will cross and turn to minus. So we'll be having 10x minus a is 8x. So 10x minus 8x is 2x. So b is 2x. Remember the question says that we should express this as a sum of two trigonometric ratios. Now that we have gotten a and b in terms of x, what we will do now is to substitute. In place of a, we write 8x. In place of b, we write 2x. Remember, a is 8x, b is 2x. And so, therefore, sine 5x cos 3x is equal to half sine a, and a is what? 8x, plus half sine b, and b is 2x. We have succeeded in expressing sine 5x cos 3x as a sum of two trigonometric ratios. Question 2. Let us express cos 7x sine 5x as a sum of two trigonometric ratios. Okay? So which factor formula will I use? I know that sine A minus sine B is equal to 2 cos A plus B all over 2 times sine A minus B all over 2. Good. Now, since this product has a coefficient of 1, let us remove this 2 from here. You get it? So dividing both sides by 2, we'll be having half sine A minus half sine B is equal to, divide this side by 2, these 2 will cancel out. Take note, these 2 here that we have won't be affected at all. So if I divide it by 2, these 2 here will go, leaving us with cos A plus B all over 2 sine A minus B all over 2. Good. So our answer would be in this format. That's the point. Let's compare. We have 7x here. We have a plus b over 2 here. We have 5x. We have a minus b all over 2. Let 7x, as we have here, be equal to a plus b all over 2. So we'll make a plus b the subject of the formula. Cross multiplying, 2 times 7x is 14x. That means a plus b is equal to 14x. Equation 1. Let 5x be equal to a minus b over 2. 5x, let it be equal to a minus b all over 2. So making a minus b the subject of the formula, we have a minus b is equal to 10x. Equation 2. Because 2 times 5x is what? 10x. So let's solve the equation for a and b. So let's add first to get a. Equation 1 plus equation 2, a plus a, that is 2a, b plus minus b is 0. Have 14x plus 10x, 24x. So dividing both sides by 2, 2 cancel 2 means that a is equal to what? 24x over 2, which is actually 12x. From equation 1, we have a plus b equal to 14x. Making b the subject of the formula here, from equation 1, b will be equal to 14x minus a. A will cross and turn to minus. Now, what is a? A is already 12x. So we'll be having 14x minus 12x. That means b is equal to 2x. 14x minus 12x is 2x. Cos 7x sine 5x will be equal to this. Remember this identity, alright? Half sine A minus half sine B. So let's substitute. Half sine A, which is 12x, minus half sine B, and B is 2x. 2x. So this is it. We can actually factor out 1 over 2 and say 1 over 2 times sine 12x minus sine 2x. Alright, they are the same. So whichever one, we are correct. I will answer this third question and you will answer this fourth question. You will express cos 9x cos 3x as a sum of two trigonometric ratios. So I'm going to solve the last one in this video now. To express this as a sum of two trigonometric ratios, we are going to make use of the factor formula that says cos A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 sine A plus B all over 2 sine A minus B all over 2. Here it is the product of two signs, so that's why I'm using this. Let's eliminate this minus 2 since the coefficient of this is 1. We'll be having minus 1 over 2 cos A minus 1 all over 2. This minus here is the minus you can see here. So divide these two by minus 2, we're having minus half, cos B, which is equal to sine A plus B all over 2 sine A minus B all over 2. Minus is a plus, okay? So we're having plus half cos B. So let me write that one first, since it is positive. Half cos B. Then this one that has minus equal to sine a plus b all over 2 sine a minus b all over 2. So our answer will look like this. What we need to do now is to look for the values of a and b. Good. So we have sine 3x sine x. Set a plus b all over 2 equal to 3x and set a minus b over 2 equal to x. Doing that, a plus b all over 2 is equal to 3x. From here, a plus b will be equal to 6x. That is if we cross multiply. Also, a minus b all over 2 is equal to x. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 2 times x, which is 2x. Equation 2. So, let's get a by adding equation 1 and 2. If we add, a plus a is equal to what? 2a. If we add this to b plus minus b, is 0. So we have 2a is equal to 6x plus 2x, that's 8x. Dividing both sides by 2, a is equal to 4x. It's as simple as this. So let's just make a substitution to get b. In place of a, put 4x. b will be equal to 6x minus a, and a is 4x. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. b is equal to 2x. Now we have gotten a and b. Let's substitute them into this, our expression at the left-hand side. In place of b, we'll write 2x. In place of a, we'll write 4x. So, sine 3x sine x will be equal to half cos b. b is what? 2x. Minus half cos a. a is what? 4x. We have succeeded in expressing sine 3x sine x as a sum of two trigonometric ratios. I hope you know that this is a sum. Do you know that? Check this out. A minus b is actually a sum. I can write it as a plus minus b. So it's a sum. When I say sum, it does not mean that the sign in between them must always be a plus. It can be a minus, in as much as we can express the expression in this format. This is how to use the factor formula, or the product formula, or the sum to product and product to sum formula. Remember to answer this question. Express cos 9x cos 3x as a sum of two trigonometric ratios. And drop your answer in the comment section and I will review it. Keep supporting by subscribing to this channel, like the video and share the video to your friends and to your classmates. I will see you in the next one.